So, lesson learned yesterday. This time I have an introduction for the video. This is a continuation of my road bicycle, my new road bicycle for 2021. It's a Sava Whirlwind 3.0. I unpackaged it yesterday, and today we are on a different setting. We are in my wood shop, also known as kitchen. We are going to make a stand for my bicycles, a stand so I can work on it. I need to do things like remove and replace the chain and through wheels, and I need a bicycle stand. So that's what we're gonna have to today. Let's see if it works out. I have a vague idea of what I'm gonna do, and I'll try to do it. So let's do it. We do have a bicycle for rough measurements over there, and we have a measuring device. It has a name for sure. This has a name, right? And we have cutting devices. I don't know how this is called in Saskatchewanite. In Ontarionite, I think it's a different name. And we're gonna wing it, because that's. Let's go for it. See you soon. And there you are. First, we'll figure out the size of the foot of the feet of the thing. We measure how wide the bicycle is. A bicycle is with pedals. It's something like 18 inches. So we do the feet with 20 inches because we can always cut wood. So 20 inches. 20 inches. I used to have a square sink, but I don't know where it is. So to do my square stuff, I use this square wood sink. Are we in frame? Yes, we are in frame. We want to do this, and we want to have 20 inches. It's not enough. Let's add a couple of inches. Let's go for 23 inches. 23 inches. For 23 inches, we can always cut it. 23 inches. Now, we want the feet to taper down. So we want to cut it diagonally. But we don't have a thing to cut it. So we use this straight edge to do the diagonal thing. Let's say we want 1 inch. 1 inch. Nope. 1 inch every side. 1 inch each side. 1 inch each side. And now we put our straight edge. That's it, and this will become our fixing. Should we cut this first over there? Should we cut? I'm gonna cut this over here first. We have holding stuff. Holding things are. Come on, let's be on frame, okay? Is in frame now? No, not in frame. Ah, perfect. Now you can see everything. So we have the holding stuff, holding this. What? Come on, it used to work. Okay, we have only one holding stuff. One is better than nothing. And we hold stuff. And now we make sure we have ear protection. So I'm gonna get the ear protection. So I have ear protection now. I can't hear what I'm saying. And we have eye protection. So we have ear protection and eye protection, and we're gonna start cutting it. So of course I screw up this already. That's not the line I want. I want the other line. Okay. So let's make the line. Oh, no, sorry. Now we have this. First blood. First blood. That will become the feet. So now the long cuts. Long cuts are terrible. What can we do? Perfect. Perfect. So this will be the fit of the thing. This will be the fit of the thing, right? To fit like this. And there's gonna be something here to go up. It's perfect. It is perfect. What happened here? Okay, I'm already bored. I just started. So, these are the things. They are perfect. They can be, so if I put them on the bicycle, they go across so the bicycle will never fall off, right? That's it. So now we make the main body of the thing from a 2x4, of course. A 2x4. How do we do this? How high do we want the bicycles to be? We want the bicycles to be this high, right? So it's by that knot. Yay! So now, that's the ingenious idea. It's perfect. The ingenious idea is to make a notch there. How many degrees? I have no idea. This many degrees. And now with my excellent idea of measure once, cut twice. Measure once and run back to the store. Is this good enough? It's perfect. So with this on, we're gonna. So my idea was to lock this there. If I could make a triangle. That was my idea. So let's see if my idea is doable. These triangles should fit over there, right? How do these triangles do? Yes, the triangles should fit here. Should be perfect here. Oops. This was the original idea. Triangles there and go here. I'm gonna try to go with it. So this is the best time to spend the winter in Saskatchewan. You spend it inside doing stuff. As long as it's not riding your stationary bicycle. Stationary bicycle are the worst. Can you see this? I'll show you. Maybe. So these guys align with the cuts, angle cuts we made, and then the pieces of wood that came out will be reinforcements inside. That is, look at this. It's perfect. It is what we call perfect. Eh? Look at this. Look at this. We can angle it a little back. It's fine. We don't want to hit it. So we should glue these guys here. Yes, we're gonna glue these guys here. Like this. We put screws here and glue the 4 pieces. Then we make them look pretty, and then we screw it and glue it to the. It's perfect. This is perfect. I need the hole machine, so I'm gonna get the hole machine. This is a machine to make holes. We call it something. I don't know what we call it. Something. So let's make some holes. We need hole bits. The holing machine is the twirly things. We call it drill bits to make holes. Doesn't make holes by itself. So let's make some holes. I don't know how to hold it there. Just make some holes. That's it. We have some screws. Too big. These screws are too big. Screws are too big. No, they're perfect. Perfect big. It's always better if you know what you're doing. Now we can screw this over there, can we? Right? Yes, we can. Why not? Maybe a screwdriver would help. I don't know, I'm not a woodworker, so let's see if a screwdriver helps. Let's see if with a screwdriver we can drive the screw. Let's see if we can. Look at this. Why the angle is so shallow? Oh man, why is the angle so shallow? That's okay. Now we just fit this here. Which one is the tall one? This is what we call a failure. Because the angle is too shallow, so forget it. If necessary, we put a transparent. So, let's go for it. And we have to call it a day until it's time. Let's find the glue. That's what we call perfect. Now, it's a complete failure because this angle is too short. The bicycle is going to unbalance this. We'll come up with an alternative plan sometime later. So, I'll let this dry and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. We have the base created. We have this vertical thing. We need to figure out what to do to hold the bicycle. Don't forget ear protection. As I said before, I was afraid this would not be wide enough, but I tried it with a couple of bicycles already, and it seems fine. It seems good enough for me. How is this assembled in the back? So the 2x4, that is the body, as the notch I cut on the video, and the triangles that come out from those notches are reinforcements. I screw these and glue it to the body. I screw the feet to the body and glued it. I needed these reinforcements. I expected this would be necessary. I planned to make bigger reinforcements, but I was very tired, and I found these small pieces of wood, and I'll show where they come from. and it's enough. This seems to be enough. If they fail, then I'll make bigger reinforcements. To hold the bicycle, the hooks on the top are made from 1x4 pieces of wood connected to the body in an angle, and then I cut some hooks on the 2x4 and put, obviously, in inner tube that I had lying around. The reinforcements on the bottom came from this cut I made here. Those are the reinforcements that came from this cut. Here is the final product. My bike repair stand. Is this a bike repair stand? It looks like one. The stand there, when it got nicely, so I think it qualifies as a bike repair stand. Is it the best bike repair stand ever? Maybe not. Maybe you've seen better ones. But this stands the bicycle. I can show you. That stands the bicycle. Let's see if I can kill myself. It stands the bicycle. It's pretty sturdy. In the next video will be just assemble the bicycle